Good morning, 5th graders at Ross Preparatory School. Today, we are going to learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators. You are going to reflect on your knowledge of adding fractions by asking yourself if you know how to do certain steps. If you do not know how to do certain steps, you will be asked to log on to our class brainpop.com page or your personal iExcel account or Khan Academy. This will help you practice your skills before moving on to the next step. Get ready and excited to add fractions. The first example that we are going to complete together is 1/3 plus 1/4. The first step is to find the lowest common multiple of the two denominators in order to get a common denominator. If you do not know how to do this, please watch the tutorial on brainpop.com. Once you have gotten to brainpop.com, please type in the search bar fractions and press go. Your screen should look like this. Then please click on adding and subtracting fractions and watch the short tutorial. At the end of the tutorial, there is an opportunity that you have to take a quiz. Your page should look like this. Please click on Take the Quiz. After that, please click on Review Quiz. This review quiz will ask you 10 questions. If you get a 90% or higher on the quiz, you can move on to the next step. Now, let's find the lowest common multiple of our denominators, 3 and 4. Your answer should be 12. Now, let's use that lowest common multiple to find a common denominator between the two fractions. You do that by making the denominator the LCM, by creating an equivalent fraction. If you know how to do this step, go for it. If not, please watch the tutorial on khanacademy.com. Once you've gotten to khanacademy.com, please type in the search bar, adding fractions. You should see the video, Adding Fractions with Unlike Denominators. Please click on it. After that, it will take you to this 4-minute tutorial. Please watch the tutorial and come back to the problem with me. Now, let's try to create an equivalent fraction with the lowest common multiple of 12. You should multiply the top and bottom by the same numbers to find the equivalent fractions. And this is what your paper should look like. 1/3 times 4/4 would equal 4/12. And then 1/4 times 3/3 should equal 3/12. This is what your paper should look like. The final step is to add the numerators, but make sure you keep the denominators the same. Please do so now. Your answer should look like this. 4/12 plus 3/12 equals 7/12. Now that you know how to add fractions with unlike denominators, I would like you to practice. Please go onto the internet and log on to your iExcel personal account. Scroll down to 5th grade and click on where it says See All 268 Skills. After that, you're going to click on M4. M4 says Add Fractions with Unlike Denominators. Please complete and save this exercise, as it will be emailed to me. Don't worry, if you get an answer wrong, it will tell you how to do it. I hope you have enjoyed working with me today and get excited to add more fractions.